Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this brown smoky eye look with a nude lip. So if you want to see how I achieved this cute makeup look, then keep on watching. So for my primer, I'm going to be using this by Benefit. I love this because it minimizes my pores, and I have some pretty big pores, like really big. And I use a lot because I need a lot. So for foundation, I'm using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y325. And I love this foundation. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out, and I'm not gonna show you this up close because it's really nasty. So now for concealer, and of course I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is actually like really light for me. Like my under eyes are gonna be very bright. It's in the shade Fair Beige. I really need to get a darker color because look at that. Like, that's insane. Like, I look crazy, honestly. I don't know. Like, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll see you in a sec. My eyebrows are on, and for them I used my ABH Dipbrow pomade. You know, the basic. I used soft brown, and I used my Tarte, it's really nasty right now, but my little like Tarte eyebrow pencil thing with a little spoolie on the end. Nothing crazy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyeshadow. Actually, first I want to prime my eyelids a little bit, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Shape Tape and blend it out so that I have a nice little base for the eyeshadow. Ow, this kind of hurts, but whatever. And then to, stop it! Sorry about that, my cats were fighting, what do you know? And then to set the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier, however the fuck you say it, translucent powder, just to set that in place. Okay. And I'm actually going to be using this Tartelette in Bloom palette by Tarte. And the first color I'm going to use is Flower Child right here. I use it like the most out of all of this. So it's like, it's almost that pan. It really is. Which makes me very sad because I love this color. And I'm just applying this like all over the eyelid just as like a little base color. So now I'm gonna take, let me get a brush first. I'm gonna take Smarty Pants. Yep. Smarty Pants, and put that like right there. Right there, like above my crease, I guess it is. Now I'm gonna go in and do the crease color, and I'm gonna use Activist for that. It's like a very dark brown. And I just kind of put it in there with this little like angle brush. Is that what this is called? I don't know what type of brush this is, but I just kind of like put it in there first. Just like that. And also on the outer corner of the eyeball. And I just put it there first and then I blend. Or I could just leave it like this. That'd be very cute. Maybe I'll do that. Cute. And then I'm taking this brush and just blending it. I'm going to go back in with Smarty Pants here. Ow. And just like a little bit, even blow it a little bit, and just like do what I did in the beginning to just blend out any harshness. So now I'm going to take, I love how I can never find my brushes. Okay, I'm going to take Charmer, which is this very white color. I'm just gonna take like a little bit and even like dust it off. Actually, I need a little more than that. And just put that on my lid. Now I'm gonna take this brush. It's like a flat thing. And I'm gonna spray some of this crappy e.l.f. makeup setting spray on it. It's very crappy. I hate this spray. I don't use it to set my face, but... Alright, so now I'm taking Funny Girl. It's a shimmery, very pretty. It's like messed up. I probably like put my nail in it or something. Who knows? And I just take that on the wet brush and put it on my eyelid. without spraying it or wetting the brush first, it really doesn't come on that great. I mean, it shows up, it's just if you want it to look very much more pigmented, then you're better off spraying it first. So now I'm taking Activist right here. Okay. And I'm putting that on my lower lash line, which I hate doing. I'm not good at this part, y'all, so. Alright, so I got my lashes on and whew, it hurts every time I blink, so something's not right here. I literally suck at putting on lashes. Whatever. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm just using this Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal mascara. And I don't know. Doesn't look right. I cannot do eyelashes, like, what's going on here? Ooh, it looks much better with mascara though. These lashes are very like natural looking, which if you just put on some mascara, it looks a little better. Alright, sorry I have a mirror over there, but yeah, I don't know. I think I'll put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to set my face, and I wait until I'm done my eyes and everything to set my face. I don't know why, I just do that. But I'm using the Laura, whatever you call it, Laura Mercier powder. And I'm just applying it with this brush. I don't like using my beauty blender because I just feel like it looks very cakey when I do that. I don't know if I just don't do it right or something, but yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to contour with some powder, and I'm going to use this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, or I don't even know how to say that. I freaking love this powder bronzer because it literally smells like chocolate. Ooh, that's a little too much. Oh, whoops. Oh my god, I could taste it. I taste it already. Like, if you just leave your mouth open and go like that, you can taste it. It tastes so good. And it smells good. Like, you could get a little snack while you're doing your makeup. I think that's freaking awesome. Like, watch this, y'all. Swatch. Oh my god, I freaking love it. Like, I don't know if that's safe or not. Probably not. But it tastes so good. Like, oh my god. I love it. Now for highlighter. And I'm just using my Too Faced Love Light, I guess it's called. It's okay. It's, I don't even know if you would call it like a subtle highlight or a blinding one. You tell me. I think it's kind of in between, honestly. It could be like kind of subtle, but if you put on like 3 layers, I think it's pretty blinding, right? Let me get a mirror. Yeah, that's blinding. If you just like pack it on there. I just put some up here. Yeah, I kind of go crazy with the highlight, but who doesn't? It's highlight. For blush, I'm not really a big blush person. I don't really go crazy with blush. So yeah, I'm just using this Tarte blush, which I got for free at Sephora. I'm sure everybody has this blush because you get it for free if you have that Sephora thing. Yeah, I just need a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it right there. Yeah, it doesn't really make a difference for me, so I guess it kind of does, right? I don't know. Oh well. So now it's time for lips, and I'm just gonna be using, I'm gonna do like a nudish, brownish type lip, and I'm using this Jordana lip liner in Rock and Rose. I love this color and this lip liner, and it's very affordable. Very affordable. I think this is like $3 or something like that, and I love it. And also, I overline my top lip pretty much because it's tiny. So, lipstick, and I'm just using this MAC nude lipstick in the color Honeylove. It's matte. I love, look at this color, like, it's like the perfect nude. It's like a brownish nude, I guess. I don't even know, but I love it. And it goes with this lip pencil so good. So this is the final look. If you guys liked this makeup look, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post twice a week. Oh, and also if you want to see how I got these nails, then I'll link the video somewhere around here. And yeah, so thanks for watching.